Hi everyone. In this quick video, here are the main benefits of using an electric breast pump. Electric pumps save time because they express milk much faster than manual pumps. They keep a steady suction, which helps you empty your breasts more effectively and stay comfortable. They also have adjustable speed and suction levels, so you can choose what feels best and matches your baby's natural rhythm. Many electric pumps allow double pumping, which cuts your pumping time in half and can help increase milk supply. Modern models are quiet, portable, and easy to use, perfect for busy moms, working moms, and anyone who needs a reliable, hands-free pumping routine.